Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, ang akong buhaton is sunon ako ang makeup ni Hanabi. You know Hanabi guys? Kato mga addict sa Mobile Legends, sila rin mga naka-ila. Charot. Muduwa ay masadid ko Mobile Legends o niya. Nakahuna ko ba nga mag makeup ka kuno? Sundon ka na ko ilang mga makeup no? So, mo to siya. I will be doing my kilay first. And I think murag lisod-lisod ni siya para nako. First time ni nakong buhaton. So, please bear with me, guys. And, di lang siguro kayo kumutabi, no? Kaya mahadlok ko aning masayop niya ko. So, let's go. Let's start killing spree.
Information now, victorious, always ready for winning the round. Gonna show ya, show ya, show ya, show ya, show ya. Rock like a gun, yeah, we got the attitude, like steering cars, just a sign. So gonna do, we go stronger, 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 yeah, yeah. Don't even think for a sec, you can compete on my throne. Put your hands in the air. You're feeling us, put your hands in the air. Our voices are getting so loud, 'cause together we're invincible. Put your hands in the air, ready for the shot. I got the bam, bam, bam. I got the bam, bam, bam. We're here to stand a chance. We've seen so much niggas stand. What you wanna do, bam, bam. I got the bam, bam, bam. Prisoners, we got the power in our hands. What you want to do, la la la. Catch your attention, I never let go. It's the final round, aka Armageddon. Back it up, back it up, back it up. We pretty savage, you want some blood. When we get down, you go ooh. All of my ladies are warriors. Soaring through the sky, we're so high like Fanny. Too fly to catch up, so baby, just bag me. You say we ain't the range, but we just too savage. No baby, baby, don't mess with us. Don't even think for a sec. You can compete on my throne. Put your hands in the air. If you're feeling us, put your hands in the air. Our voices are getting so loud, 'cause together we're invincible. Put your hands in the air, ready for the shot. I got the bam, bam, bam. I got the bam, bam, bam. I'm here to stand a chance. We've seen so much niggas stand. What you wanna do, bam, bam. I got the bam, bam, bam. Baby, we're taking up prisoners. We got the power in our hands. What you wanna do, bam, bam. Don't even think we can be made to fight. I got the bam, bam, baby. I got the bam, bam, baby. We go and game. Always big time. We taking control now. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, bam. Oh, bam. I got the bam, bam, bam. I got the bam, bam, bam.
guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And I hope you enjoyed this look. Charot. I hope that I did this right. Jima. So don't forget to
Subscribe.
bye guys. See you.